Unpacking the meaning of packing the gear. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, packing the gear. This phrase is commonly used but can sometimes be confusing for English learners. So, let's dive in and understand what it truly means. First, let's break down the phrase. The word packing refers to the act of putting things into containers, bags, or other storage units. It's often used in contexts like travel, moving houses, or organizing items. In this phrase, packing is a crucial part as it denotes the action being performed. The term gear is quite versatile. It can refer to equipment used for a specific activity, like camping gear, photography gear, or sports gear. In general, gear implies items that are essential for a particular purpose or activity. Understanding the context of gear is key to grasping the phrase's full meaning. Now, let's explore how the phrase is used in different contexts. Traveling. I'm packing the gear for our hiking trip. Sports. Before the game, the team was busy packing the gear. Professional settings. The crew started packing the gear after the event. In each of these cases, the phrase indicates preparing and organizing the necessary equipment for a specific activity. Interestingly, packing the gear can also be used idiomatically. It might mean getting ready for a significant task or challenge. For example, we're packing the gear for the big project launch. Here, it symbolically represents preparation and readiness. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, packing the gear. Remember, language is full of such interesting phrases, and context is always key to understanding their meanings. Keep exploring and happy learning!